What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the gems in the space, any potential gems. It could be altcoins, meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Always remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. This video we're going to be checking out Tigerceo. Find the next CEO with Tigerceo. The Tigerceo project is a large-scale program aimed at cultivating CEO successors. We have it right here, their own. Remember how viral that image went from Elon when he put Floki as the CEO of Twitter. Then Floki CEO exploded. Tigerceo, we see how tigers are making a lot of noise on Binance Smart Chain right now, so could see some potential gains here. Obviously, never invest more than you're willing to lose. This is a high risk, high reward play. You know, just do your own due diligence as always, guys. Tigerceo is a meme token on the BSC ecosystem. Tigerceo project is a large-scale program aimed at cultivating CEO successors. We're creating a modern trading system that brings people together from all over the world. Guys, 100% transparency, safe and secure. Ownership is renounced, and they plan to develop a NFT marketplace. Renounced ownership NFT marketplace. Tigerceo's tokenomics: 34% for the pre-sale, 16% liquidity to the liquidity, and 50% burn. Buy and sell tax 10%, 6% for reflections, and 4% for the marketing wallet. Nice reflections, man. 6%. Wow. Okay, this reminds me of Baby Doge tokenomics, but the taxes are a bit higher. Okay, and they have their roadmap right here. Phase 2, phase 3, 3,000 holders, CX listings, global marketing, partnership upgrade. What's nice is that it came out on the 23rd of April, and it recently had to move up from the bottom. Something happened. Something must have happened here for it to make these percentage moves up, right? Somebody woke this project up. Let's round it off from like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5x up. 5x up from the bottom. Nice stuff, man. Crazy. So, you know, the community, the team, somebody woke it up. Normally, you know, projects like this, they launch, retrace back down, and they go sideways. But yeah, who knows what could happen here. If the team is pushing and the community is pushing, could have a nice future ahead, guys, for Tigerceo. You know, remember, a lot of these projects are here for a good time, not a long time. So do your own due diligence. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. 545 followers on Twitter. I like what I see. I like the memeability behind it, right? Like I said, tigers on Binance are going crazy. They recently made a tweet, rise back to the summit. So they made a tweet last month in April, and they recently made another tweet. Tigerceo, guess who's back? Okay, so the new so they have a new marketing team which caused this explosion. I got you. Ready to unleash their creative powers and redefine the future. Get ready for a journey filled with limitless possibilities. That's why the explosion happened, because they had a new marketing team. Everyone was like, oh my gosh, we're back. We're so back, right? So hey, again, guys, you just never know how far projects like this could go, and always manage your risk. I like what I see from the project. I like that the chart, you know, recently had a nice move up, and you know, with an announcement like a new marketing team, as long as the team pushes the project forward, community still engaged, who's to say we can't see, you know, more success from this project? If you hold Tigerceo, let me get your thoughts down below. Everything Tigerceo and myself will be in the description. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Please support the channel. Check these videos out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.